It's Friday, guys. Nearly time for another race weekend, but first we've got to attend to the markets this evening. No trades on bonds this afternoon. Bond markets, Aussie markets have just closed now. Still got a long on dollar CAD, which we're running at the moment. We're offside about 0.5% on that trade. We've also just put on Euro Swiss franc short, and we've just been triggered into that trade. So other than that, we're just gonna go pick up some food, essentially look at getting a haircut for once, and then start to pack for tonight. Decided today to give one of these things a try. Bit of a possible late night snack for when we're trading. So just got it done in here. Let's see how it turns out. Two different things. So just twist it up so I can get in that. It's a wet night here in Sydney. Hey guys, how we going? 10 o'clock Friday evening here. We're just doing a quick review of the charts before the US session. Our US CAD trade that we have on, which is a long swing trade from yesterday off the daily chart. That one's hovering around our stop for that position. This particular move never really gathered much momentum after yesterday. We did get triggered in, touched the 61.8% fib retracement, and then seemed to just drift back down, and the 4 hour started to make lower highs. So just another trade. That one was a loss. And our day trade for today, which was Euro Swiss franc, this particular trade as well looks like it has it's hit our stop. We've been triggered out for a 1% loss with this trade, so we've locked in one loss. We're nearly at the exit point for the other trade. I'll just quickly show you guys the charts for this one. The daily chart, we're looking for more selling pressure. In the hourly chart here, we were triggered on the 50 EMA, which was a pretty to me, I thought that it was a pretty good trade. We had a lot of nice consolidation and deceleration around that 50% to 61.8% fib with the 50 EMA and the pivot. Got triggered in, but it just rallied. I guess basically for me for this one, potentially I might have been looking to be a bit too eager to short, having the market already moved down quite significantly. You could also say that we probably didn't have a lot of room to move to that next sort of area, that next level, which on the 4 hour you can see is quite prominent. But I did think we would continue the downtrend. That is why I took the trade. But hey, it's one trade. On to the next one now. In the main game, the bond markets have been pretty quiet tonight. They've really just drifted around, which is quite different what we've seen over the past couple of days. Already, the VIX on the Treasury note, which is the US 10-year bond, has already dropped again. So it went from 4.3 to 5, and now it's back at 4.6. So obviously, in the particular trades that I run in, the bonds do require liquidity and volatility in the market. So that's why it's been pretty quiet on that sort of that channel for me. But other than that, we're just going to get into some pre-USA market analysis, and we'll check in with you guys later on tonight. Friday night hustling. Swept in the 10 years. Always activity at around this time of the night, the opening of the US markets. We've just been swept out of our bonds position for a profit. Moved pretty quick. We've still got some equity moves on at the moment, which are approaching our exit, so we're looking to get out of them. Other than that, we are just playing the game, and let's check US CAD, dollar CAD, and see where that trade is at the moment. We would stopped out on that dollar CAD trade, which looks like it might have just been a low test. So it actually looks like the price action that we've just been given now means that this trade might actually reverse and bounce back. But at the end of the day, you have your stops in for a reason, and that's just part of the game. It's go time. 2 o'clock in the morning, we are off to pick up Swarbo, and then we are on the road to Winton. Should be there ETA in the morning by approximately 8:30 AM. Looks like it might be quite wet at the track today, but always come prepared. That's what they say. Fuck, I'm keen to get out there. Cannot wait. If any of you guys are going out there, see he's out there today. 5:30 AM guys, we're just on the road to Winton. We are at Dog on the Tucker Box at Gundagai. Travelling well. Swabber's asleep in the back.